This combo is not common, but trust me, it's so good. Egusi and Achi, light Egusi and Achi. So let's make it together. I have my beef. I'm going to transfer it in my cooking pot. Add my tripe, stockfish. Gonna add salt. I'm gonna add nut cube, some blended pepper and onions, and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Now stir. Over and allow it to cook. I'll be adding fish. I have here combinations of mackerel fish and catfish. This time I'm not grilling. I'm gonna add it like that. First I will cook it separate. In a pan I will add it. I'm going to add salt, 1 nut cube, some peppers and onions, and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add water. I'm going to shake. Cover and allow it to cook. Now let's check on the fish. I'm gonna off the heat and transfer it in my baking tray like this. Allow it to cool down. Next I will debone it. No grilling this time. No grilling today. So I'm gonna allow it to cool. Here is the egusi seed. This is the mulch I will be using, and achi, grounded achi. When making this soup, everything is small. You don't go too much on any of them, egusi or achi, because it's meant to be light. So I'm going to blend and set aside. So I'm going to blend the egusi seed and set aside. The achi powder is already blended or grinded. Now let's check on the proteins. It's been cooking for a while now. I'm going to add my dry catfish, blended peppers. Add pepper to your taste. I'm going to add my palm oil. Give it a good stir. At this time I'll add my blended egusi. Your egusi needs time to cook, at least 8 to 10 minutes on a medium heat. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook. Now let's check on the soup. Look at that. It's bubbling. I'm going to add my achi powder. I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons. you really have to be mindful when adding achi, because this soup is meant to be light. You don't want it thick. So I'm going to add my crayfish, generous amount. Now ogiri igbo is a must. Cover and allow it to cook. And let's check on the soup. I'm gonna stir. This is the right consistency. Light and lush. Light and lush. Look at that. Not supposed to be thick. I'm gonna add my deboned catfish and mackerel fish. You guys, I don't like bone in my soup. I'm sorry. Cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. You guys, I nearly forgot my ozeza seed. I'm gonna add my grounded ozeza, just a little bit to give it that hint, you know, the flavor. So nice. We'll come back to it shortly. Now let's check. It's been cooking. Look at that goodness. See the consistency? It doesn't need to be thick. So at this point you can add any vegetable of your choice. Add oha, pumpkin leaf. I'm using my baby spinach, blanched baby spinach, and it's just a little bit, not too much. I'll go in with more crayfish. A little bit of all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit. Now stir. Stir very well to combine. Our soup is almost ready. Look at that goodness. You don't need too much vegetable in there. Now allow it to cook for a minute and it's done. All done, you guys. The soup, this combo is everything good. I'm gonna off the heat and we are done cooking. Ready to serve.